What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the server. Welcome back to the Nordschleife. Another beautiful afternoon here on the Green Hell. And today we got the Grotti Bestia GTS. Or, better known as the Ferrari FF or the Ferrari GTC4 Lusso. It's just one of Ferrari's rare offerings here. It's a shooting brake type vehicle, or better known as a station wagon for the North American public here. And it's just a beautiful car. I just love the styling on it. The huge shoulder line over the rear wheels. The just how the headlights come together here. With the hood bulge. It's just a gorgeous vehicle. Originally offered back in the Further Adventures in Finance and Felony update. I think that was a couple years ago, actually. I forget how long ago. But originally the car was unveiled to the public, I believe, in 2011. Yes, it was first presented by Ferrari 2011 at the Geneva Motor Show Convention as a successor to the 612 Scadaletti Grand Tour. Just, and then that's another beautiful looking vehicle too. I just love the custom 5-spoke, 10-spoke, double-spoke, 5-spoke wheel. So I just left it there with the stock wheels. We got the, oval exhaust. Speaking about the rear, it's just love how the shoulder complements how it makes a dovetail, ducktail type of look with the tail lights. It's just gorgeous. Oval exhaust, racing front bumper. Have to get the twin vented hood for the extra cooling, so to say. Sports skirts, couldn't fail without them. I like the little Venturi tunnel, I guess. It has it. A little mid-level spoiler to keep the carbon fiber keep the carbon fiber look from the roof going. Just a beautiful accent there. All wrapped up in this grayish purple midnight looking color. Interior is not too, nothing to speak for. It's the same one out of the 9F and the F620, so it's not too special. It's supposed to be a 4-person vehicle, but good luck getting into that backseat. But car features all-wheel drive. Little slight change from the regular version that was in the vanilla game, and introducing one of at the time Ferrari's largest produced V12 at 6.3 liters, naturally aspirated, when it was rated for 650 horsepower on the Ferrari FF. And the FF stands for Ferrari 4, for 4-wheel drive. Car tops around anywhere from 200 to 208, depending on the curb boost technique you hit. But you know how we usually do on the channel. I'm going to take it here on track and just see how well we do against the Green Hell. So let's get right into it, and I'll see you out there. Not bad, not bad at all. 549.87. Yeah, that's a pretty quick station wagon, if you ask me. Shoot and brake, you know. But if you like what you see, links for all the mods are in the description as always. If you want to join me on Discord, link for that's in the description. Or if you want to join me on the server, see if you can beat my times. Links for that are also in the description. And hopefully I'll check you on the next one. Peace.